Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Afriza from the class accounting 24A M.Ak 4412019. Today I explain about taxation land and building tax RP. What is land and building tax? PBR land and building tax is a levy that must be paid for the existence of land and buildings, just profits, benefits, and socio-economic status for an individual or entity that holds a right to them or derives benefit from them. Because the land and buildings tax is material in nature. The tariff amount is determined by the size and conditions of the existing land or building. Objectives and benefits of land and building tax. Number one, as a source of national or location government revenue, and two, encouraging the productive utilization of lands or buildings, serving as a tool for equalizing the tax burdens, as the tariff is based on the economic value of the land or building. Funding regional development, land and building tax or PBB P2 is local on source revenue or PID, and regulation land utilization to prevalent land abandonment. And the next, basis for PBB assessment. The basis for PBB assessment is the tax object selling value or NGOP, which is the average selling buying transaction price or equivalent acquisitions value of the object. NGOP is set every 3 years at the Ministers of Finance every year for certain regions. NGOP is determined based on comparison of transaction price, net acquisition value, substitute tax object selling value. And next, PBB sector. PBB sector is divided into two sectors. Number one, PBB P2 are rural and urban. Rural house, residential land, urban and rural buildings managed by the regional government, standard or dependent. And next, tax object. The object subject to PBB is land and or buildings that provide profit and socio-economic status to an individual or entity. Land object in the land and building tax include: number one, rice fields; 2, fields; 3, gardens; 4, plants; and 5 years and 6 minutes. A building object in the land and building tax include residential houses, commercial buildings, multi-story buildings, shopping centers, luxury fans, swimming pools, and toll roads. Exclude from PBB object and in fact not existing land and building can be object of the land and building tax of PBB Some objects are excluded from the land and building tax PBB based on their benefit and purpose, namely social, worship, health, culture, education, history, nature reserve, protect forests, national parks, and consulates and embassies. PBB subject of taxpayers. Number 1, holds the right over the land or building, obtains benefit from the land's building. Number 2, PBB P3, plantations, forestry, mining, includes plantations, land, forest, mines, minas, oil and gas, managed by the Directorate General of Tax or central government. Collection mechanism. Collection mechanism is 3. Number 1, data collection of object. Taxpayer fill out the SPOP, tax object notification letter. And 2, NJOP assessment carried out by the tax office or Bapenda. 3, issuance of SPPT, tax payable notification letter, contains the amount of PBB that must be paid, and 4, PBB payments taxpayer paid at except banks or post offices or online, and 5, due date general 6 months after the SPPT is issued. And 6, sanctions delay are subject to 2% fine per month, maximum 24 months. And that's all presentation for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.